Here we are in beautiful Lahaina, Maui, Mahalo. And today we're here for Hoʻākea Maui, Mauka to Makai, which honors the legacy and rich traditions of our voyaging culture. We have a legacy of voyagers that come from this ʻāina, like Snake Ahi, who was honored here on the very first day of our Hōkūleʻa. Participating today, we have waʻa organizations throughout the Pai ʻāina, as well as Aloha ʻāina organizations.
Watch everybody's toes, yeah?
Watch your toes, watch your fingers. There you go.
But today, they get that experience. They get to engage and meet the people who are doing that work of stewarding of our land, of caring for our resources. And, really the hope is that this will inspire that with them to be navigators, on this island. Because really and truly, our island is our canoe.
Go ahead, show us where we plant the column, because yes, sir.
Did we know that there's 3 different types of opihi?
The purpose of us building Keiki was to teach the art of Polynesian wayfinding in the community that I live in. And I'm from Chokao on the Big Island.
If we understand what it looks like to treat each other, how to take care of our canoe, as we're out there on these voyages, what does that look like on the land? What are those important parts that we need to be healthy on this island, this canoe, so that we can continue to voyage beyond the horizon?
Future Hōkūleʻa. Give all the love for the Suguro for you guys. Future Hōkūleʻa.
Hōkūleʻa is our mama. In my waʻa moʻokuʻohau, she is the first. And so to have your mom there, to be surrounded by family, surrounded by waʻa nui and our smaller waʻa, we are all part of this larger canoe family.
Yes, on that canoe. The thing's sticking up. And at the very top, you get this piece right here. Can you guys see that? Yeah. It's called the kueo. What is a kueo?
Owl.
So we all have, even though we're similar, very special purposes, and we all serve that. When we collectively come together and we're able to do the things that make us special and share that, it's so full, it's holistic.